Hello mga ka-dreamers! Welcome to our mini vlog! Today, we're spending such a beautiful day here at Good Planet NZ for some strawberry picking with Mama Lola, Ate Sai, and Kuya Thogs. Pagdating pa lang namin, grabe! Ang ganda ng lugar! Ang daming strawberries, sobrang pula, fresh, at ang bango. You can really feel that happy farm vibe. Si Miney, of course, super excited siya. Habang naglalakad kami sa field, hawak niya yung maliit niyang basket, ready na ready, mamitas. Ang sarap lang panoorin, yung simpleng bagay pero ang sobrang saya na niya. At syempre, the best part, pwede kang kumain habang nagpipiking. So habang pumipitas kami, tikim dito, tikim doon. Ang tamis talaga, parang candy sa bibig. Si Miney nga, parang hindi na makaalis sa isang spot. Sabi ko nga, strawberry queen siya for the day. After namin mapuno yung basket, nag-decide muna kaming mag-train ride. Ang cute ng little train. Umiikot sa farm, perfect for kids. Habang umaandar, super amazed si Miney. Yung ngiti niya, yung mga mata niya, kumikislap, it just melts your heart. Then, lunchtime, nag-lunch kami doon sa Good Planet Cafe. Simple lang yung food pero ang sarap. Dahil sabay-sabay kaming kumakain, kwentuhan, at tawanan. Nakaka-refresh lang, just family time. After lunch, syempre, dessert time, we tried their famous strawberry ice cream and oh my, ang creamy, ang fresh. Parang lasa talaga ng sunshine sa cone. Pero hindi pa tapos doon ng saya kasi nakita niya yung bouncy castle. Ayun na, diretsong takbo, sliding, jumping, laughing. Parang walang kapaguran. Nakikita ko siya, sobrang saya niya at sa isip ko, Lord, thank you talaga. Ito yung moments na nagpapaalala sa atin how blessed we are to have family, to share laughter, and to watch our children grow, play, and be happy. Habang papauwi kami, pagod pero fulfilled, busog sa strawberries, busog sa tawa, at busog sa pagmamahal. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day, for the sunshine, for the laughter, for the simple joys you allow us to experience as a family. Truly, these are the moments we'll treasure forever. Thank you for watching mga dreamers. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more family adventures and heartwarming memories with our little Miney.